Once upon a time, in a world not so different from our own, there was a lush forest teeming with life. This forest was home to countless plants and trees, each one unique in its own way. Fruits of all kinds, apples, oranges, plums, hung from the branches, while nearby fields overflowed with grains like wheat, barley and rice. But there was a secret that only a few knew. Every plant and tree had a heartbeat, a pulse deep within its roots and branches. When humans harvested their fruits, grains and seeds, the plants would bleed, not visibly, but through a subtle internal sap that carried their life force. Each drop of sap represented the plant's effort, its life poured into creating what was taken. The trees and plants felt a faint pain as their fruits were plucked or their grains were reaped. Aware of this, the people harvested with care, always mindful of the silent sacrifices of the plants. They offered prayers of gratitude and tended to the plants afterward, giving them water and nutrients to replenish what had been lost. In return, the plants continued to grow and bear fruit. However, the people also consumed meat, chickens, fish, and other animals. Unlike the plants, these creatures had voices that could be heard, cries that pierced the silence of the world. The people knew this too, and many struggled with the knowledge. They understood that taking a life, whether plant or animal, was an act that should never be done lightly. Some argued the suffering of plants, though quieter, was just as significant as that of animals. But others pointed out that while plants could regrow after being harvested, animals could not. Once taken, an animal's life was gone forever. This understanding led to a deeper respect for all forms of life. The people began to eat more mindfully, choosing their food with greater care, always remembering the lives given to sustain them. They learned that life was interconnected, a vast web where every thread mattered. Plants, trees, animals, all part of this web, each contributing to the whole. And so they continued to live in harmony with nature, taking only what they needed and giving back whenever they could. They knew that in every bite they took there was a story of life, sacrifice and renewal.